Where's your sissy, Lou? Uh-oh.
Wrong way, dog.
Sissy. Lulu, where's Sissy?
She's in the bathroom.
Come here, puppy.
LuLu. She's in the bathroom.
Where's Sissy? Where's your sissy? Where's Sissy, Lou? Where is she at? Where? Where's your sissy? Oh my gosh. Oh. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Oh. Where's she?
Is she in there? Oh my goodness! Get her! Get her, baby! Get her! Oh my goodness! Where's Sissy? Where's Sissy? Oh my goodness! Is she in there? Oh! Oh!
Is that your sissy? Knock on the door, Sarah.
Where's she at? Where is she?
Oh.
Where you going?
Oh my gosh. Sarah, she can't handle it. Where's Sissy? Where's your sissy? Where's your sissy, Lou? Is she in there? Knock on the door. Knock on the door. Knock on the door.
She's knocking.
Knock on the door, Lou. Oh, she wants you to come out.
Just stick your toes.
Sissy.
Just stick your toes under the door. She likes that.
Look, sis. Oh, 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 did you find her? Did you find her, Lulu? Did you find her? Did you find her? Oh. You love your sissy. Do you love your sissy, Lou? Say, I love you. I love you. Shh. Talk to Sissy. Don't holler.
What was that? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What was it? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! What's she doing?
I know, I know. You want me to open the door? Or you want Mom to open the door? Okay, okay.
You're attached, babe.
I am attached. Hang on, Belle. Lulu is a brat. Are you dressed? Oh. There's your sissy. You might be able to get her in the shower. She's so happy now. Look at that pretty face. All right. Lulu's happy now. She found her Sarah. That's all, folks.